Well, this afternoon I saw the 15-year-old acknowledge his relatives who were sitting in the front row. During the hearing, no plea was entered. Prosecutors instead made the formal request for this case to be heard in adult court instead of here at the Juvenile Justice Center. In court, the defense attorney for the 15-year-old accused of killing 5 members of his family told the judge community members who know the teen have reached out.
And they have attested to his good character. He's been described as kind and caring.
Due to a judge's order, we're not identifying the juvenile suspect. On Monday morning, King County deputies say the victims were found inside their Fall City home. King 5 has recreated the family home based on public records and drone footage. At the bottom of the stairs leading to the daylight basement were the bodies of the father and 2 of the children. Mark Humiston was shot multiple times. The others were shot in the head, 9-year-old Joshua and 7-year-old Catherine. Further down the hallway, they found 13-year-old Benjamin, and in the bathroom connected to the primary bedroom was the mother, Sarah Humiston. The teen suspect's 11-year-old sister says her brother shot her too, with the bullet hitting her in the hand and neck. She held her breath and pretended to play dead until he left, then used a fire window in her room to escape. The first 911 call came from the Fall City home. The 15-year-old, sounding out of breath, said his brother, quote, just shot my whole family and committed suicide too. He told the 911 operator he was making the call about 10 to 15 minutes after the last shots were fired. Investigators say he staged the scene in an attempt to blame his younger brother, but deputies say evidence led to the teen's arrest. In this courtroom, the prosecutor asked the judge to keep him in custody.
He held in secure detention and that he be ordered to have no contact, direct or indirect, with the surviving victim.
It's a request approved in a case that's just beginning to get underway. The process to just consider moving a case from juvenile court to adult court typically takes months. The judge will have opportunities to hear from the prosecution and the defense before making a final decision. Joyce?
And when is that teen expected to be back in court, Natalie?
Well, we know that the arraignment won't happen until the jurisdiction question is resolved. Right now on the calendar, they're expecting a status conference. That's going to happen in January, and a hearing is scheduled for June of 2025. Joyce?
Reporting in Seattle for us live tonight. Thank you.